Man, who needs a backup camera when you got mirrors? Boop. Oh my goodness. So this is the noise it's making. Okay, we're all good. All right, I'll put the key in the car. There you go. I don't know how far it really is because it's in 0.5, but look, I got you. I do a full walk around. See, look, this is what you do. You gotta invest in the best. Invest in the best, man. I don't even gotta hold the phone. I don't even gotta hold the camera. Damn, fucking. Okay, the tree. I'm in this parking lot right now. It's only 2 cars here, but it says no trespassing, and I guess I'm a criminal. So, you know, sometimes you gotta bend the rules a little bit. Look, no trespassing. It says magnetic gray metallic, but at first, when it first came in, it said it was moon dust. So, ever since I seen this color, I've been calling it moon dust. Besides that name sucks, but moon dust sounds way better. Look at that. Look at this interior. Edge-on clean. 3-row, and it got sunroof. Edge-on clean. I'm gonna drive this bad boy around. Hopefully race someone. Yeah. No. There'll be no racing. It's 39,000 miles on it. 2023. But look at this. Look at this interior. I love this screen. I just love everything about this interior. It feels good. It feels strong. It just feels. Look, you get a little sunroof, bro. It's definitely nice. I don't even know if it's fully loaded or not, because I don't know anything about Toyotas. I work at a Nissan dealership. So let me be honest with you guys. I could try my best, but at the end of the day, I work at Nissan, not Toyota. If you're wondering what I'm doing now, getting a thumbnail. I gotta get the thummy. This is literally my 2nd review ever. Well, 3rd, I'm lying. I did a video earlier on our, our Titan 2016 Titan XD, but the audio didn't want to record, so if it does it again, I might snap. So let's hope and pray that the audio is actually going this time. Oh God, it's so smooth. It's so quiet. Yeah, I'm going 35. It's barely any road noise, but then again, that's how a new car's supposed to be. I'm about to go exploring. I drive around here all the time, and I'm about to go find a new road. Let's see. Hey, Honda Accord gang. Hey, it's a Caprice. Let's see. I literally never went this way. Let's see how it feels. It's a lot of bumps. I don't know what the hell this monstrosity is, but I'm getting out of that. Oh yeah, forgot. Toyota has the lane keep steering, the assist, but it's literally like it will throw your ass into that lane. This is a what is it? This is a 4-cylinder. This is a turbo though. I feel like every car is turbo now. I feel like everyone's glazing. Why not? I'm barely touching the pedal. I don't want y'all to think I'm like speeding. I barely touched it, I swear. Which way do I want to go? Let's try. Look at this. I can't. I'm gonna say, can I do any of that? I'm gonna say, y'all tripping, bro. Yeah, I'll put some music on right now for you. Don't you worry. Yeah, play that, Justin. Oh my God, this bump. Okay, it feels like hell in my car. Let's see. What the heck are you doing? Let's see. I feel like if it had paddle shifters, I'd like it 10 times more. That's what I'm gonna do. Sport, manual.
God help me, I got a race car.
I hear the turbo. Okay. I heard that turbo. We're in fifth, right? We're in sixth, right? We should be. It got some pickup now. Look, you'll be A-okay, because it'll come to a complete stop. And then it goes right back to one. Amazing. Amazing how technology is. I don't even gotta look. Well, I just look now, but I know it. Here, let's do this. This is open. It was open before? Oh, I'm tripping. Where's the tilt? Oh yeah, sport mode now. Oh yeah, sport mode. We're all good. No, close it. What'd you guess? We have 80. Okay, we're good. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah, it's fun. I'm gonna drive around like this. It's fun. Oh yeah, is that auto stop? It's off. Okay, good. Bro, Bro, how long is this better be? Is that Lincoln? It is. Something slight. Bump. Wow. Imagine. Dude, go. I don't even know what gear I'm in. He's old. It's cool, Unc. I ain't worried about you. I'm just going around once more. What am I in? I'm in 4th, I think. Just basing it off of how I feel. Down. No, we're not hitting that bump. Actually, here. Let's see how. Just so you can see how it goes over. Yeah, I know. I knew it was in 3rd. Let's go. I'm so smart. Heard that beeping? That was that. It's gonna do it again. But little does he know, I want to be like this. Oh, good. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Downshift. So stupid. Come on, mate. It gets to a point, chat. Oh, they're doing a test drive too. Sometimes you just gotta listen to the car. Overall, I like this car. If I needed a 3-row passenger seat, if I needed a 3-row car, I would probably get this. I like it. It's so nice. I love this one.